Hello everyone, today we will explore the popular street food of India, one of the most fascinating countries in Asia with its fascinating cultural diversity, deep history, and colorful traditions. From the splendor of the Taj Mahal to the mystical aura of the Ganges River and spice-filled street food, India is a unique world that every traveler would love to explore. If you are ready to discover the fascinating world of India, let's get started. Before we get to those flavors, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel if you want this kind of content to come. Pani Puri. Pani Puri, one of the most popular delicacies of the streets of India, delights the palate with both its visuality and its magnificent taste. Puris are made from a thin dough and fried into a crispy crust. Boiled chickpeas, potatoes, spices, and fresh greens are usually added inside. The spicy water poured over this mixture makes Pani Puri unique. Pani Puri can be found at the stalls of street vendors all over India, especially in big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. Once you try this unique flavor, you will never be able to give it up. Samosa. Samosa, one of the indispensables of Indian street food, is a perfect flavor that you can find on every street, share with your loved ones, or enjoy alone. This snack, which is usually triangular in shape, is appreciated by everyone with its satisfying and slightly spicy taste. It is prepared with boiled potatoes, peas, onions, and various spices. This mixture meets the crispy outer shell of the samosa and creates a perfect flavor balance. Bhutta. Bhutta is one of the most popular delicacies you will encounter while wandering the colorful streets of India. Roasted or grilled corn is one of the most delicious and refreshing options of street food. After cooking, it is usually served with lemon juice, salt, and various spices. You should definitely try Bhutta to get a taste of the streets of India. Jalebi. And finally, Jalebi, with its golden color, curved structure, and crunchy texture, is one of India's most popular street delicacies. This dessert meets warm sherbet and can be found in street stalls and tea shops all over India. Jalebi's unique flavor comes from frying the fermented dough in hot oil. This dough is poured into thin rings or curved shapes, fried in oil, and then dipped in hot sugar syrup. This dessert, which can be made in different sizes and shapes, has a unique touch in each region. Therefore, it is possible to experience a different jalebi at every corner. you should definitely try jalebi, one of the sweet flavors of Indian streets. Do not leave the streets of India without trying this flavor that melts in your palate with every bite. Thank you for joining us to discover the street food of India. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us so you don't miss our new videos. See you soon. Goodbye.